Hi, my name is Caterina Abuelo Restrepo. I am studying administration in Salud. Effect of the technology environment. 1. The positive effect the technology on the environment, if only with world put sustainable negative effects of technology on the environment. We will realize that the are enhancing the positive effect of our technology is as alternative to improve the difference but today people are using to minimize the damage caused of the industrial development and the advanced technology which used in the exploitation systems. 2. The negative effect I will see to around the technology advancement is the one of the most important matters in our main causing if only in the countries of the world could have better understanding of technology in resources exploiting the world will have a better and future. 3. How do you see the future of our planet? I would hope that our home is very of importance to protect the planet. It's not a scarce for anyone inside the population is rising surface and this situation make the exploitation in a production system increment the capacity of operation marking the damage to the environment the character. Strategy to mitigate our main damages and mitigate the fighting of streets and do not support hold control regarding our main card and protection to raise our main and direction in the more life. Thank